Hello everybody, this is Todd Frazee, and this is the tutorial on how to access the computer lab remotely for MITECH 320, Introduction to CAD/CAM Programming. Okay, first of all, we're going to follow the procedure that I've handed out. It's also in Canvas, and we're going to go to https://vdi losrios.edu, and I would bookmark this once you're there. It should be a screen that looks like this, Vmware Horizon. The instructions say to always use the Vmware Horizon HTML access tab. Do not install the client. It also gives you some warning about some errors, and the second time I did it I got errors. The first time I did not. So you may or may not experience it. You may need to do the steps from here twice, but supposedly you only have to do it the first time you log in. So we're going to pick on the VMware, and you're going to put your username in, which should be your Los Rios student ID number. And then your standard password. And press login. And you should get a screen that looks like this. So what you're seeing is the FLC FL5 Room 9 Computer Lab. Now it says you may have gotten some errors. It says the first time you do this you may get a certificate warning. Click past that in your browser, and an error about timing out may occur. If this occurs, you're going to redo these steps here. So when you log in, you should see a screen that looks like this, and you're literally running a computer that's in the lab on the other side of this. There's a host of rules. Please look at the most current information in Canvas about lab hours and such, because we don't want you to lose your work because they shut down for maintenance. When you are done with your session, you want to press this shutdown button, which will expedite that particular computer being available for another student to use. Anything you save locally on this computer, it will be lost when the computer reboots. So it's important that you are able to save things in your H drive, which is to be set up for you. Alright, so I'm going to go to our current assignment. So you've already pretty much fulfilled the requirements for the assignment itself, but we need to go in and give Canvas proof so you get credit. So I'm going to go to Canvas. And I'm using the direct link that's https at lrcccdinfrastructure.com, and it brings you to your window you should be familiar with. Okay, so again you plug in your credentials. So we can see it as you would. I'll maximize that window. And so we're going to go to the Unit 1 assignments and hit Next. And it's the Accessing Computer Lab Remotely assignment. Okay, so this is the procedure you should be able to follow that goes along with this video. Okay, so let's minimize the browser at the moment, which should show up down here. And what we're going to do is take a screen capture of what we see here. Make sure you select where the trees are and hit Control Print Screen. And then we're going to open an application for graphics. You could pretty much use anything that you can save a JPEG in, but I'm going to choose old trusty Microsoft Paint, and we're going to do a paste in there. So I've got an image of this screen here, and let's save that as a JPEG. And for the purpose of this particular assignment, it doesn't really matter where you save it, but for your regular work, you're going to want to go up a level. In your account, you should have an H drive that occurs here. It allows you to save work on a server. JPEG file. Back to Canvas that you're running through the lab. You're going to hit Start Assignment. So you choose your file. I'm going to grab our screen capture and hit Open, and then Submit Assignment. And that's it. You get an easy 20 points, and you can move on to the next assignment. So this exercise was to help you early on in the course make sure you can get access and submit your assignments remotely. All right, thanks a lot, and I'll catch you on the next video.